Hey there, aspiring programmers! Welcome back to. Today, we're diving deep into the world of programming, and I'm going to show you how to learn a programming language effectively, whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your coding skills. The first step on your journey is to choose the right programming language. There are countless languages out there, so it's essential to pick one that suits your goals. Take a moment to define your purpose. Are you interested in web development, data science, game development, or something else? Do your research, look at language comparisons, and consider factors like community support, job market demand, and personal interest. If you're a beginner, consider starting with languages like Python or JavaScript, which have gentle learning curves. Now that you've chosen your language, it's time to gather your learning resources. Explore online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or edX. There are countless tutorials on YouTube too. Books and official documentation are your friends. They offer in-depth knowledge and insights. Engage in coding challenges on websites like LeetCode, HackerRank, or CodeSignal to practice your skills. Learning programming is all about practice, practice, practice. Set up your development environment, whether it's an integrated development environment, IDE, or a code editor. Start building projects. It could be a simple to-do list app or a complex web application. Projects will solidify your skills. Collaborate with others on GitHub or contribute to open source projects. It's a great way to learn from experienced programmers and expand your knowledge. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to learn a programming language effectively. Remember, practice and persistence are key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more programming content. Happy coding!